Hey there, the team over at GoGonova has sent over one of their glue guns for me to try and share with you guys. And if you will notice, there's no cord. That's because this one is rechargeable. It takes about an hour and a half from a zero battery to a full charge. And after that, you don't need the cord. You can hot glue whatever it is that you need for crafting or anything like that. And this is going to heat up in 15 seconds. I have tried it and it does work in the 15 seconds that it takes to heat up. The power button's on the top and you just hold it down for a couple seconds and it will turn on. It will also turn off if you hold it down for another couple seconds. And if you're not using this for 5 minutes, it will shut itself off. You need to put it down for a minute. It just slips nicely into the holder, which is also the charging base. You'll also get your charging cord with this, but you will not get the charging adapter. It's super lightweight, easy to handle. I can fit 2 fingers on the trigger of it. Quick heat up, easy use. If you are looking for a new glue gun that doesn't keep you attached to the nearest receptacle, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.